again, it's just weekdays. Grabe! Sinasawadi ka tayo ng mga tao dito. We love it ko, Lord. It's okay. Yung tulad ng sabi mo kanina, marami pa ring choices. If you want the more laid back na inuman, then doon ka. If you want an umaatikabo nightlife, doon tayo sa pupuntahan natin ngayon. So this is the cheapest beer in the world. Do we have to go inside? Why? Are there police?
Outside alone.
Why do you travel alone, sir?
I hate groups.
Let's drink Biyahoy to celebrate another year. Thank you to my 26th year. It was the brightest year of my life. Hello guys, Xin Chào. Xin Chào from Hanoi, Vietnam. So we're currently in the Old Quarter. So this is a very touristy spot. We are staying here. I think the most touristy spot here in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. And for today's video, samahan nyo kami explore ang nightlife dito sa Hanoi. It's already 10 p.m. here. Sa Pilipinas, 11 na. Pero may energy pa rin kami to explore the bustling area of the capital. So I am Dave and I am the Kuripo Traveler on Facebook. So dahil nandito tayo sa Vietnam, nagpunta kami ng iba't ibang activity sa Klook. For example, kanina naghalong bay kami. And very sulit siya. So i-comment ko yung link sa baba, sa description box. Tapos you can also use my promo code para sa mga bookings ninyo. Kahit hindi Vietnam, 5% off Dave Gino. If na-upload ko ito na may iba akong promo code, baka may better promo code, i-comment ko lang din sa baba. Okay? Hi Claude! So it is your first time to explore Old Quarter at night.
Yeah.
How do you feel right now and why did you go with me? Because you were working last night.
Yeah, di ako nakasama last night. And I know na maganda yung nightlife in Vietnam kasi sa Ho Chi Minh din merong Bui Vien Street. And then
May anong pan street?
I'm not sure if I'm
Bohemian?
pronouncing it right, but Bui Vien.
So what about it?
Pero
Bohemian?
din siya ganun, parang inuman na street, ano din siya. Basta nakakalibang siya. So I'm kind of expecting the same. Or at least I want to see how different it will be here
Okay.
in Hanoi.
So it is for us to find out later when we get there in the beer
street.
street.
Experience kung matutulog tayo at mag-work and
Totoo. Tama, tama. So yun, excited na rin ako kung ano maging reaction ni Claude sa beer street. I want also to know the difference between Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi, yung vibe. Pero sa mga nababasa ko din online or napapanood ko sa mga vlogs, ibang level yung energy ng Ho Chi Minh at night eh. Pero ito, iba din daw yung charm ng Hanoi at night, yung beer street. Nakamiss yung Vietnam, I mean itong Hanoi, kasi guys, 10 na. Pero it's still bustling. You know, ang dami pa rin bukas. Specifically dito sa Old Quarter. May makikita ka pa rin sa sidewalk na kumakain. And mga tourists na naglalakad to somewhere. Just like us. And it's just a weekday. Thursday evening. Okay, pero ganito siya ka-bustling. And as a city boy, this feeds my energy. Kapag nasa isang bustling area ko, nagkakaroon ako ng energy. Hay nako, hindi ko na-catch sa vlog. Pero sinasabi lang ni Claude na kaka-Taiwan lang natin last month. Hindi naman 2 months ago. Pero mas feel niya yung Vietnam because it feels you're really in Vietnam.
yeah, yung
Like all throughout
atmosphere.
the strip. This is the beer street, Nabi.
Yung mga makikita mo dun sa lugar, it's unique to Vietnam only. Yung mga tao din. Although Taiwanese people were very nice also.
Pero may parts sa Taiwan na
Parang ano,
parang common.
ah,
Nasa ibang bansa din.
na-feel ko lang yung Taiwan dun sa
Ximending.
Park, sa Ximending. Pero this one parang everywhere you go.
It's Vietnam.
Yeah.
Okay. Pero kanya-kanya lang naman ng perspective and preference. I think let's walk. Ito na yun, Claude. So welcome to the beer street of Hanoi, Old Quarter.
So, wala.
Ha?
Alive pa rin siya.
Yeah. It's just Thursday evening and it's still alive. Yes. Kailangan natin dito matry yung cheapest beer in the world. Grabe, I love the energy here. Thank you.
Ito yung burger.
Saan? Vivian?
Pero mas modern lang.
Yung Vivian? Vivian. Grabe. I think ito ay mix ng both tourists and mix ng tourists and locals.
Ito yung hinahanap ko pag pumunta ako sa isang country.
The nightlife?
Hindi naman nightlife. Something na parang,
Different.
or parang you will remember it because it's city.
Yeah. Ako din, this is something that I look for when I'm abroad. To see its nightlife, how it's different at night. And this one is very Vietnam. Yung maliliit na upuan, it's so Vietnam. Ano? Yeah. And again, it's just weekday. And we're seeing a lot of happenings. A lot of happenings. I mean, on a Thursday evening. Okay, pampabawas din ang kinain natin kanina kasi nabusog tayo sa kinain nating bulsa. Grabe! Sinasawadi ka tayo ng mga tao dito. Pinoy po tayo. Uy, lamit ka Lord. It's okay. Ang weird naman doon. Lasing lang. Grabe! Beer Street of Vietnam. I love it. Uy, ang pogi nito ha. Doon mas local, dito mas western. This is Vietnam at night. Grabe na overwhelm ako sa taas ng energy. Ang ganda. Ay, piling ko pumasok ako sa puso ng Hanoi at night. And nakita ko yung difference ng iba't ibang areas in just in that beer street alone. Kung nasaan yung foreigners, kung nasaan yung locals, parang may ganong difference, no? Yung mga western, of course, nasa mas western silang areas there in the beer street. Tapos yung locals, mas nasa ganyan. Mas nasa ganyan na set up. How about you, Claude? Thoughts na dumaan tayo doon?
Ay, marami mag-approach sa'yo to offer na doon kayo sa place. Okay lang naman, nice naman sila, hindi naman sila namimilin. But I feel like kung kunwari, bet mo lang beer or may cocktail, medyo tahimik, medyo may dance, combination na siya, so you'll find everything there.
Ayan, no? Parang...
Oo. Kaya nyo humanap ng place na enjoy.
True.
Kaya mo nakapunta na.
True. In just one strip, diba? In just one strip, grabe yung variety na nai-offer ng Old Quarter Beer Street. I think dito na yung sa club. Parang mas buhay yung beer street. Ang na-feel namin dito sa Vietnam, I mean sa Hanoi, may mga random na lalapit sa'yo. Tapos, gusto nila makibond. So may mga kumakain pa rin dito. It's almost 11. Tapos bukas pa rin yung mga souvenir shops. Uy, grabe. Iba yung charm ng Hanoi talaga. Sorry, I cannot get over. As a dog lover. Wow. So, thank you, Chris. Si Chris po yung tour guide namin sa Europe na nagsabing yung Vietnam very distinct. Nararamdaman ko siya ngayon and thank you for saying that kasi nagka-push ako. Siyempre, hindi niya ito mag-edit. mas na-push akong explore yung Vietnam at mag-book ng flight papuntang Vietnam. Okay, so now that you saw how it looks like all quarters, the beer street at night, sinabi mo kanina mas ma-appreciate mo to. Why?
Kasi yung sa Boy Bien, it's just one whole street na tuloy-tuloy siya.
Aha.
Ito, may one whole street na sobrang wild. Tapos yung other streets, meron ding laman. If I remember correctly, parang after the Boy Bien, medyo back normal na yung everything. Ito parang ano siya, alive siya everywhere.
Everywhere
At
alive.
least wherever you go, gano'n.
Tapos may isang street lang talaga na outlier yung pagiging alive.
Sobrang daming bars and clubs.
Oo,
Yung
so
parang Boy Bien nila.
yung tulad ng sabi mo kanina, marami pa ring choices. If you want the more laid back na inuman, then doon ka. If you want an umaatikabo nightlife, doon tayo sa pupuntahan natin ngayon.
What's weird and amazing about Hanoi is parang nako-combine niya na parang it's so alive, but at the same time, makikita ko pa rin yung culture nila na I don't know, I can't explain.
Yeah. I love the input. True.
Mga interns na
May mga interns na naghihintay, hahihain kang uminom, i-check yung i-check or sasabi ng free check. Ito ba yun? Doon pa, no? Oops. Wala akong ganyang memory talaga. Yung photographic memory ko, yung photographic memory ko talaga ay medyo mahina. Oo nga, grabe yung ingay doon eh. Kesa sa Ho Chi Minh?
Oo, super mas madami dito. Parang feel ko dito na sila nakatira.
Dito?
Oo, ganun. Yung mga foreigners doon, nakikita mo lang sa Boy Bien. Tapos siguro mangilan-ngilan while traveling dito sa mga tourist spot din.
Yeah.
Dito parang everywhere.
May foreigners, no?
Oo.
Ay, may pedicab pa rin at night. Di ko sure kung tawag nila dyan. Let's call it pedicab. May hotel dito. Grabe, pag mawalwal ka, dito ka na lang agad. Pag malasing ka. Dito, lalaki lumalapit. Doon sa Ho Chi Minh, babae. Sorry. Tama, ito na yon. Let's go. Ito yon, tama. We're back. Nasong na nila. Alright, we're gonna order here. Via Vietnam. I love you, baby. You are my lonely night. I love you, baby. Just leave me when I say. Let me love you, baby. Let me love you. We ordered this, the beer of Vietnam, Via Viet. Via Viet. Nanood ng wrestling eh. Nag-enjoy si Claude sa wrestling. Nag-enjoy ka. Pinapanood din ang mga kapatid mo, no? Alright, we're now outside. And mas mura dito sa labas. Yung mga hindi westernized na, thank you, na bar. So this is the cheapest beer in the world. Biyahoy. Biyahoy at 10,000 dong.
Which is what in peso?
Magkano?
No, I'm asking what is it in peso?
I'll search now. It's exactly 12 in the midnight. And let's drink Biyahoy. So I'm officially 27 years old in Vietnam. With Claude, my nightlife buddy from Europe to Vietnam. Let's drink Biyahoy to celebrate another year.
Woo! 27!
Ang sarap. Woo! Sabi sa internet, this one is everyday, freshly brewed, and should be consumed within 24 hours kasi no preservatives. Biyahoy.
Tastes fresh.
It tastes really fresh, especially it's cold. To more growth, happiness, more milestones in life, to more successes in everything that we do, to more wala ako maisip. Thank you to my 26th year. It was the brightest year of my life. Goodbye. So this has up to 50% yung Biyahoy. Up to 50% rice content, depende daw sa pag-brew. Tapos, dinideliver ito usually sa mga Biyahoy bars through motorcycles. It's the Vietnamese way of delivery. O, diba? 10K lang. Tapos, around the area, kung gusto nyo ng mga mura, guys, feeling ko wag kayo sa gitna ng Beer Street. Medyo gumilid-gilid kayo kasi nandito yung 10K. As in, doon, may nakita tayo 15K na Biyahoy. So hanapin nyo yung may 10K. Mga nakapost naman sila dito. Yung malalapit na ditong beer house ay nasa 10K din yung kanilang Biyahoy. Or around 23 pesos for one glass. So anong questions nyo on my 27th year celebration?
Question number one.
Well, drinking Biyahoy. This is the highlight of our vlog, ha? Drinking Biyahoy on my birthday with Claude as an interviewer.
What are your goals for this year on your 27th year on Earth?
Oh, for my 27th year on Earth, goal this year, I think it's to find what I really want to do in terms of work. If this path is really for me, and of course, more growth in terms of career. Feeling ko kasi nasa stage tayo, yung 20s. Considered na ba tayong late 20s?
Yes.
My gosh, I'm considered not mid-20s anymore. Late 20s. Feeling ko kasi, well, no pressure naman sa others. This is just for myself. Feeling ko ito yung point in my life that I should start building my career, investing, ganun. Ikaw, on your 27th year,
Oh my God.
on your 27th year,
6 months.
ano yung mga ginawa mo on your 27th year?
I traveled more locally.
For your 27th year, that was your goal.
Mindanao travel.
That's your goal.
Sobrang unexpectedly beautiful siya. Something unexplored by most people. Something you should also try.
Pwede natin gayahin si Claude, no? On my 27th year, I'd also want to travel more and experience more local.
Like when I post sa IG stories, sabi nagtatanong, saan yan? And then when I say Mindanao, they wouldn't expect na it's something that they can see or experience in Mindanao. Sobrang dami talagang pwede gawin. As a Mindanao ambassador.
As a worker in Mindanao.
Yeah, sobrang dami talaga na sayang if like ang lagi lang na-feature yung mga Boracay, Palawan, ganun yung mga sikat na places. Pero sobrang dami talaga na pwede explore sa Mindanao.
Yeah, thanks Claude.
Okay, wait lang. Second question is, what do you want to change in terms of relationships with other people?
Relationship and relationship.
Yeah, or like what kind of relationship do you want to have this 27
The kinds of relationship that I want to have this year. Well, I want my relationship with my friends to be even more stronger through traveling. I want to travel more with you guys. Ayun. With friends. Pero ang saya mag-travel with friends. And I want to travel with my family more din. More bonding with, my loved ones. In terms of relationship, guys, wala pang jowa since birth. Tibis, hindi ko siya priority. Pero kung may dumating, why not? Diba? Aayaw pa ba tayo on my 27th year? Baka yun palang plot twist ng ating 27th year na hindi dumating ng 26th year natin. Tara, cheers!
Last question. What will you manifest this 27th year?
Manifest. Just as I always say on my vlogs, I want to continue living my best life.
Yes, cheers to that!
Cheers to the best life. Yes, 5 minutes. A beer with fries. Sure.
Belgium yan.
Belgium! Oo nga, Belgium. Beer with fries. Fries was invented in Belgium, guys. Pinatay na tayo ng ilaw. I think hanggang 1 lang, di ba, yung beer street? Parang sabi kanina. Yung fries nila kulang sa asin. Pili ko kailangan natin pumasok. Oo. Baka may mga police. Do we have to go inside? Why? Are there police?
Outside, hello.
There's a curfew. Okay. We have to go inside. Kasi yung police strict. Okay, this is unexpected. Napapapasukin tayo. At parang mas malamig dito sa loob. So, kailangan natin pumasok kasi yung mga police daw. I'm not sure kung nanguhuli, but it's the police. That's the police? Oh. Kumusta?
Masarap siya.
Tinisi yung beer, hindi lang nakita ha?
Medyo siya, sweet tasting siya. I think I can drink this beer. More
You
than
want to order?
Sun Big Light.
Okay, more than Sad Big Light. Pero now, ayaw mag-beer.
Nag-cocktails.
Okay, nag-cocktails ka. Pangit bang effect nun?
Pag nag-mix-mix.
Okay. So, no. So, nasarapan si Claude dito sa cheapest beer in the world. Ay, ganyan. Parang nire-refill lang yung nire-refill yung beer. Nire-refill lang siya. So, hindi siya nasa bottle. Yung Biahoy. Baby, ay baso. Ay baso. Yay! Drink. Ay baso. Philippine, ay baso. Yay! Cute. Oh! Teach them young. Ay ba? He enjoys it. Ay, okay. Cheers. Kampay. Thank you. Cute. So cute. Cutie. Yes. You want? Shake hands. Cute. Hello. Bye-bye. Good night. Sleep well. Bye-bye. Nice to meet you, baby. Thank you. Come on. Hanggang 1 lang pala sila. Ubusin ko na to. Ayun, tinanong ako kanina ni Claude kung ano impressions ko sa Vietnamese. Definitely one of the friendliest. As in, one of the friendliest. From the hotel, sa mga streets na mamimit mo, ibang level yung hospitality ng Vietnamese. And even the tour guide, dalawa silang nag-chat sa akin from the tour. Tapos sinabi nila, thank you for visiting my country, enjoy. And then I asked for recommendations. Talagang na-excite sila to recommend. And actually may last tayong recommendation na bar. Hindi lang natin napuntan kasi pagod na ako at gusto ko nang matulog. Pero nag-suggest yung isa ng ng bar na pwede namin punta. Tapos na-excite siya, oh, bar, ganyan. Gusto ko sabihin, gusto ko ba yung sinama para makita ko na mukha mo, Char. Naka-face mask kasi siya sa picture niya. Wala siya sa tour kanina. Sarap ng beer. 70? Oh! Oh, mura na! 70! 70! Kung magpupulutan kayo, ito yon. Okay. Ito yung mga available. May fries, 60. May fruits. Feeling ko everywhere in Vietnam, may gulay and fruits. Is it okay if I ask you questions and you appear on my vlog?
Yeah.
Yes. Because it's
I've got
amazing.
distribution rights, you know.
Yes.
$10,000.
Oh, no. No. $10,000. Okay. Are you traveling alone? Since when you've been traveling alone?
60 years.
6 years?
And you are now
Sir.
82.
Oh! Oh my God.
I'm a Baba cool.
Papa cool.
Papa cool.
Papa cool.
traveling to
My
Jenny.
wife and one of my
Oh.
daughters. You can
Oh,
How many
that's
do you have?
nice.
How many daughters do you have?
two.
2. Why do you travel alone, sir?
Because my wife is a mountain guide,
Oh, she's a mountain guide.
and she was fully booked.
Oh, she has some travels too on her own.
She has older people, and she takes them in the Alps,
Oh,
mountains. You know.
wow.
Is she a
But
tour guide?
I hate groups.
You hate groups. You love to travel alone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You have a very beautiful family. Which country do you like best?
Nepal. Huh?
Which country do you like most?
Italy.
Oh, Italy. Why Italy?
Oh, for the culture, for the buildings, architecture,
The ancientness of
ancient.
So today is actually my 27th birthday today. It's my 27th birthday today.
Today, 27.
Yes, it's my 27th
You've got
birthday.
Another 75, 80 years.
Yes. Yes.
27.
So sir, the question is, in your 82 years of existence, what advice will you give to a 27-year-old person or someone in their 20s?
Learn.
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 Ito yung gusto ko sa mga travels na getting to know other people, where they from, what's the culture in their country, what's their perspective about travels and life.
Especially someone that
That old, yeah.
It's
The
not
most
traveling.
interesting one we've met so far. Ano? Do you remember Claude?
No, I think it's that way. Isn't it that way?
I'll try to search if kaya pa ng ano ko, ng internet ko. Additional. Yung nightlife dito, yeah. Mafe-feel mong mabilis kang magbilong.
Parang since Southeast Asian sila, you kind of look still alike. Feels like it's easier to connect even if you don't understand each other. Parang same kayo ng values.
Right. So that was our experience here in Old Quarter in the Beer Street. The two contrasting areas for drinking. The one is very westernized na isang club or bar, and the other one is just a laid back, very Vietnamese na kainan. So ikaw, Claude, ano yung thoughts mo for our night here
I
in
think it connects.
Old
Parang
Quarter?
You should experience both kasi something loud and also something quiet at the same time. Parang pwede bang pang cool down yung more Vietnamese or more local restaurants.
restaurant?
But if you wanna drink, wanna have some fun, there's also an option for you.
Yeah. And I think kasi doon tayo naka-meet and nakakausap ng mga, I think dito. Oops. Dito tayo, sorry, ayan. Dito tayo naka-meet at nakakausap ng mga locals doon sa mas laid back na, locals tapos
Hindi naman siya
foreigners na
lumabas.
tour.
Pero mahirap kasi mag-usap
Tourist
kapag
din.
pag maingay.
Pag maingay, true.
Unless gusto mo lumante.
Oo. Hindi naman yun yung purpose natin. Char. So, ang saya ng Ngayon, naglalakad-lakad kami ni Claude sa madilim na part ng All Quarter. But it feels safe. Yeah, it feels safe. So, kung kayo guys ay mag-Vietnam or Hanoi, kung kayo guys ay mag-Vietnam, endeavor yung Hanoi as a capital. Tapos, grabe yung 10,000 dong na beer. So, nasa 23 pesos lang yun.
I feel like
Masarap and sulit. Yes.
I feel like underrated yung Vietnam as a country.
Country, no?
to visit. Parang, syempre, pag mag-iisip ka ng places that you want to go to, you want to go to Bali kasi famous siya. Japan,
Bangkok.
of course, Bangkok, Thailand.
Mm-mm.
Pero this is something worth considering. Number one, for the value for money, it's very cheap. Tapos, yun, if you want culture, ganyan. People are also very kind.
Same.
Love it.
Kasi TBH, before na mention ni Chris na isa ito sa dalawang countries na very distinct for him, feels very distinct. Wala sa ko yung Vietnam, wala siya sa radar ko. Pero thank God we're here. Okay, so that's it guys. I am Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And again, kung mag-Vietnam kayo, pwede ninyong mabook yung mga activities na binook namin. Ko-comment ko yung link sa baba. Tapos yung 5% off na promo code, Dave Gino, i-comment ko din sa baba. So thank you so much for watching. And guys, oh my gosh, 27 na ako. And on my first day of being 27, let's continue living our best life. Bye-bye!